Hello friends, today we are going to learn something very interesting. Topic is what is Linux. So don't worry, Linux is not hard. By the end of this video, you will understand Linux like a story. So what is an operating system? First, let me tell you something. When you use a computer or laptop, how does it work? A computer needs a boss to tell it what to do. You know, the boss is called an operating system. That operating system turns on the computer, opens applications, plays videos, help you use keyboard and mouse. Now we have multiple operating system. So you know the Microsoft Windows operating system, Mac OS, Android, Linux. So what is Linux? Linux is also an operating system, just like the Microsoft Windows operating system now you are using right now. But Linux is free, fast and very powerful. Linux helps computer works properly and safely. Even your Android phone use Linux operating system. So let me give you simple example in a way like school analogy. Let's understand Linux with school example. Think of a computer as a school. Student means applications, teachers means programs, principal means operating system. So Linux is very smart principle. It makes sure everyone follows rules, nothing breaks, everything works smoothly and properly. So where is Linux used? Linux is used everywhere, even if you don't see it. Linux is used in YouTube servers, Google servers, smartphones, smart TVs, robots, space stations. Yes, even NASA uses Linux. Why do people love Linux? People love Linux because it is free, it is safe from viruses, it is very fast, it works on very old laptops and desktop computers. Is Linux hard? Many people think Linux is hard, but the truth is Linux is easy if you learn step by step. Important thing is not just watching Linux videos, making notes. You have to make your hands dirty on the keyboard by practicing the Linux commands. You can learn Linux from anywhere, but you have to keep this important point in mind always. At first, with me, you will learn basic installation of Linux operating system and other things like you learn how to open files, folders. In Linux, we called folder uh, like directory. In Linux, we call directory to folder, and we can see what is terminal, how commands are used in the terminal. Later, you become very smart. You can use Linux command properly and control the computer. So the question is, who should learn Linux? I think Linux is great for students, kids who love computers, people who want IT jobs, anyone who is curious. If you like technology, Linux is your friend. Again, let me tell you Linux is simple words, just like recap. Linux is free operating system that helps computers work faster and properly. Easy, right? So if you understand Linux, you can control computers, create amazing things, you can build great future. So again, why should we use Linux? Linux gives the best of the best security than other operating systems, and no antivirus programs are required for protection. Linux has many great advantages like security. Linux is safer than Windows. Why safer? Because many people around the world means Large community of developers check Linux code and fix problem quickly. Linux also does not give full control to program automatically. It asks permission first before making big changes. So next thing is like speed. Linux is faster than Windows. It uses less memory and power, so computer work faster. Linux starts quickly and finishes work faster because it has no extra unwanted application. Then reliability means you can 100% trust on Linux. Linux is strong and does not crash. It can work for many years without restarting. That's why many servers use the Linux operating system. Today I gave a small and easy Linux introduction. I hope you got it. In next video we will install Linux operating system together. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, click the bell to get the next video. See you in the next Linux session. Bye.